So, are you thinking about restarting your career after a break? In fact, I have 8 years career gap, then which technology is good choice for me? So today let's talk about one of the best option if you have more career gap and you want to get job early with remote job opportunity. That technology is nothing but .NET developer. Yes friends, .NET technology is 100% best choice if you have good problem solving skills and logical thinking. So why choose .NET only? Why not other technology? So I will clarify on that one. Here are some reasons to think about .NET technology. The first one is high demand. Many companies want .NET developers and they will pay good salary, good package as well. And second one is .NET technology is versatile. That means with the help of this .NET technology, you can develop any kind of applications, desktop applications, mobile applications, gaming applications, and enterprise applications, so web applications, whatnot, and even cloud applications as well. We can develop by using the .NET technology. So it is a versatile. Third one is easy to learn. So compared to other programming language like Java or C++, okay, so this is little bit easy programming language, and also you will find a lot of resources as well, a lot of videos available and articles available, a lot of websites available, so you can learn from anywhere through internet. Next one is stable career. Once if you start the career with .NET technology, you can expect career growth and career future scope as well, because it is maintained by the Microsoft company. So that's why I suggest you .NET technology is the best choice after having career gap. But before choosing, you have to question yourself 4 things. The first one is, am I good in problem solving skills or not? Am I having logical thinking or not? Am I have patience or not? Because coding is nothing but you will get a lot of errors. You have to resolve it. You have to debug it. Okay, so that's why you need time to learn perfectly. If you don't have patience, then you are not fit for the any web developer related jobs. Because development means you will get a lot of errors. No one will get directly correct output. So that's why you should have patience and you have some commitment to spend a lot of time to resolve those kind of errors. Also, you have to communicate with your colleagues or relatives and whatever friend circle is there. You just check it out. You just ask them whether full job openings are available or not. So you have to check these 4 things before choosing this .NET technology. Then how we can start to learn this .NET technology? You have to learn multiple skills to become a .NET developer. The first one is you should be proficient in one programming language, that is nothing but C#. C# is the primary language for the .NET development application. And next one is .NET framework and .NET core. .NET framework is the used for to develop the legacy application. So if you are going to develop the modern application and cross-platform related web applications, then you can learn the .NET core or .NET 5 plus version onwards. So you must be strong in object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, okay, and abstraction. You must be strong on these areas. And next you have to learn some front-end skills as well, like HTML, CSS, Angular, React. With these technical skills, you should also learn some database concepts like SQL Server. Okay, and apart from these primary skills, you have to learn some version control, GitHub, okay, and some unit testing related concepts as well. Okay, so these are all the skills is required to become a .NET developer. Advantage if you learn this .NET technology and if you start your career with .NET technology, so you can get remote job opportunity as well, because many of the startup companies, they prefer to use this .NET technology only to implement the web applications and enterprise application, gaming applications. Okay, so you will get easily remote job opportunity and with good package as well. So that's why I highly recommend to everyone who are interested to solve real-time problems, and if you have logical thinking and some critical thinking and innovation skills, then this is the best choice for you. Okay, so without hesitate, you can start to learn .NET technology. Okay, so that's all guys for this session. So if you still have any doubts, so please comment in the comment section. If you really love this content, so like, subscribe and share to your friends as well. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.